All right, Flex's Legal Bit, we're back again for yet another episode. And of course, we are sitting in at the law office of Raul A. Guajardo. Raul, awesome. Wow. I like that. That's my good, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what the A stands for, but
You was never know.
if you can figure out his middle name, you can comment, and then we can see if somebody can guess it. If you can guess it, the first person to guess it will get a $10 gift card for Starbucks.
Oh, okay.
Pretty good, right?
Hey, but it has to be right. It's Amanda.
All right. So today, what are we doing? We're talking about using the same lawyer, the importance of using the same lawyer, and we're speaking about incidents. It could be whatever. If you have an accident, if you have a slip and fall, be good. A smart move dealing with the same lawyer, right?
Yeah, it is. It's a good topic, and the reason for that is, we've had cases where, I've been doing this for 22 years, and we've gotten clients that come back with an accident, right? It's not like they put themselves out for that, but they have an accident, they have a subsequent accident, maybe 2 years later or whatnot, they come back. And the importance of having the same lawyer is that lawyer has your records, right?
Right.
Your previous records, your previous injuries, and knows how to play that off with the adjuster. Because if you go to another lawyer, and it happens all the time, sometimes they're not happy with the lawyer they're with the first time they try a second lawyer, or maybe they believe those commercials, and they go with another, lawyer, right? Yeah. And when they do that, sometimes that lawyer doesn't know the history or doesn't know everything, all the injuries you previously had as a client or as an accident victim. And therefore, when they do a demand, the adjuster, they have all these records already.
Yeah.
There's a database where they can have access to all that. And when they get that, they'll say, wait a minute, you're complaining of shoulder pain, but last year you had an accident and it was the same pain. So why am I going to pay for that shoulder pain that you had previously?
Right.
So when they come back to us, we know how to lay off of that and not put too much emphasis on that, rather work on other stuff. And if we already know that there was an injury and they're actually aggravated, we bring that up as we know how to note the aggravation of that injury from the first incident. So
that, and I've seen it before here, to where you have some that has multiple injuries, and of course they come back. They're familiar with the system, super easy, super convenient for them. But I've also seen people that come and make the decision of, well, we went to go speak to somebody else, and that just creates a whole list of problems.
Yeah, it's like I don't know, with all this marketing, right? All these new lawyers out there, people, it's okay to shop around.
Oh yeah,
but that's a problem. That when you have an accident and you go to another lawyer, that could be an issue. We've had cases where they end up trying to come back to us after they came with us first, and then they went to another lawyer and then try to come back with us. And we learned that it's because that lawyer already messed up somehow, not knowing everything, so that's an issue. So it's always good to, we don't have that happen a lot because we do a good job for our clients.
Yeah.
So whenever they get in trouble again, or they have an issue, they come back to us or they refer their family. But it does happen, it's normal, it's human nature. But that's the problem, that they don't know your previous injuries.
Don't believe the hype, all right? That's why it's called advertising for a reason, right? Get your attention. No, but it could be cost effective in the sense that, since you're going to continue on with us, they already know the process, as opposed to going somewhere else and then having to pay extra fees and then learning it's not going to work. And I actually spoke to another marketing person for another attorney. I'm not going to out them. But, they even said whether they take the case or not, they haven't signed the contracts or give a down payment for retainer. And then they'll decide later on, well, we didn't even take the case. So they lose out on that money to where, if you were just use the same one, especially here.
Well, one of the other things that can happen by way of expenses is that, for example, if you go to another lawyer, they're going to have to try, if they do the right thing, they're going to have to try and get the previous records. So they're going to have to pay for that too. When you go to the same lawyer, you kind of already have a file on you.
Oh, yeah.
So we already have those records. We already made that expense. So yeah, it's cost effective as well.
So recommendation?
Come to us.
That's it. We just need one
lawyer, and that's us.
Mr. A. Guajardo. See? You're still trying to guess it, I bet you.
Awesome.
Awesome. That's what it is, right? Any last little tidbits you can help them out when trying to make the decision? Because, like you said, they're going to shop around, but,
Yeah, well, get informed. I mean, one of the things we do is always meet with our clients. The purpose of these videos is to inform clients on what to do, or potential clients on what to do, or they can do things themselves if they wish. But when we meet with the new prospective clients, we play them a video. We show them what we're about, what to expect in the case. So whoever you feel comfortable with, whoever gives you information, that's where you should go.
All right. So if you have any questions, don't forget you can leave a comment. You can type it in. Of course, you can forward to us. You give a private message, and we will answer your questions in the next Flex's legal bit. But again, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you, Matt. And remember, we're with you.
We're with you.